Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, we have discussed about the basic concept of photosynthesis. Today, we are going to discuss about the stages of photosynthesis. So watch till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start our session. So photosynthesis occurs in two stages. And what is that? Light reaction and dark reaction. I recalled all of you that photosynthesis needed light, carbon dioxide and water. So what is light reaction? Of course, light reaction is based upon light. In this reaction, sunlight is required. Sunlight absorbed by chlorophyll so that electron get excited by getting energy. Then this excited energy transport into another molecule. This chlorophyll molecule is oxidized. Oxidized means reacted with oxygen and has a positive charge. It is result in two ways. And what are they? First way is splitting of water. That means breakdown of water molecule. And second one is transfer of energy to ATP and NADP. So what is ATP? What is NADP? ATP, that means adenosine triphosphate, and NADP, that means nicotinamide adenosine diphosphate. So this energy to drive these processes comes from two photosystems, photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. Photosystem 2 refers P680, photosystem 1 refers to P700. Photosystem 2 occurs before photosystem 1 in electron transport chain of photosynthesis because photosystem 2 is responsible for splitting of water and photosystem 1 is responsible for generating NADPH by using electron. Then the question is how ATP formed? ATP is synthesized from ADP by the addition of an inorganic phosphate group that is symbolized as Pi through the enzyme that is ATP synthase. Then dark reaction started. It is started in the presence of enzyme. Which enzyme? RUBP, ribulose biphosphate. Rubisco enzyme is a 5-carbon sugar that plays a key role in photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, this enzyme attaches carbon dioxide to RUBP. RUBP stands for ribulose biphosphate. This resulting 6-carbon molecule is unstable and splits into 3 carbon molecules of phosphoglycerate. This phosphoglycerate is a 3-carbon molecule. This phosphoglycerate carbon is converted to sugar and the rest is recycled to regenerate RUBP. Then why RUBP enzyme in photosynthesis? Because RUBP enzyme allows plants to fix carbon from the atmosphere and convert it into sugars. Glucose is the end product formed with the help of ATP and NADPH. This is also called Calvin cycle. Why? Because this process is introduced by the great scientist Melvin Calvin. Okay, so NADPH also, NADP plus also added with inorganic phosphate, that is Pi, symbolizes Pi, it form NADPH. So ATP and NADPH are the most vital things in photosynthesis. So ADP and ADP stands for adenosine diphosphate plus Pi, that means inorganic phosphate, and gives rise to ATP. Also ATP plus NADPH plus carbon dioxide gives rise to ADP plus NADP plus glucose. So glucose is the end product formed with the help of ATP and NADPH. I hope you will all learn about this session, and in the end I attach your Kelvin cycle. You can read and study properly. We will meet soon.